Cash App login without app. How to log in Cash App without downloading Cash App. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to access your Cash App account but don't have the app installed on your phone, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll show you how to log into Cash App without downloading the app. So let's jump right in. First, grab your phone or computer and open up any web browser. Now, in the address bar, simply type in www.cash.app and hit enter. This will take you to your Cash App's official website. Alternatively, you can also search for Cash App and simply tap on the top or the first most link. This will take you to your Cash App page. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. Simply enter your phone number or email address associated with the Cash App account. This is the number or email you used when you created the Cash App profile. After you enter your information, simply Cash App will send a login code to your phone via text message or to your email address. Simply check for the code. Once you've received the code, simply type into the website's prompt and hit submit. And that's it. You're now logged into Cash App on your browser. You can send money, check your balance, view your transaction history, and do pretty much everything you would do in the app.